I already look like a fucking maniac. I mean, nothing new, but just like a little extra maniac, a little extra sprinkle of crazy, you know, just to add to my crazy. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're already subscribed. My name is Marin and I make psychology and philosophy inspired videos, kind of like self-improvement stuff. I also like to document my pole dancing journey, so if you guys are interested in that, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Today I'm actually going to be doing none of the, not above, because it's not a text, but none of the just played clip in this YouTube video. I'm gonna actually be doing, like, I guess a beauty related video. This is the thing about me, is that even though I have somewhat of a niche that I like to make videos about, I also like to make videos about like whatever I really feel like. And today I was gonna film a different video. I was very prepared, or actually not that prepared, but I mentally just wanted to film a different video. But then every time, because I do like test videos just to see the lighting and stuff, and first of all, the lighting sucks today. I also just felt like I look like shit. I still feel like I look like shit today, and I'm sorry, I'm just having one of those days maybe. But one of the biggest things I kept focusing on when I tried to film this video is my eyebrows, and they do need to get fixed. And so I was initially gonna be like, you know, not make a video, but then I feel like I'd feel bad if I didn't film a video, because if I'm gonna film a video one day, I want to get it filmed. If not, I just feel like I didn't do, like, I feel like I prepared myself so much, like, mentally to film, including, you know, I did a little bit of makeup. I don't do makeup every day, so that was a long explanation. But today's video is going to be how I do my eyebrows at home, so if you guys are interested in that, keep watching. I do beauty videos every now and then, so yeah. So basically, I used to get my eyebrows done at a salon or whatever place does eyebrows. I guess that could be like hair salon, spa, and I also guess that doesn't really matter for the purposes of this video, but I used to get them done professionally, basically. However, I've had several occasions where they would kind of like fuck up and make them like too thin or not exactly how I wanted them, and so I stopped going to see them professionally. It was also $20 once a month, or sometimes twice, I guess, but mostly once a month because I'm a poor bitch. And so I decided one day I just decided I'm gonna just try to do it by myself. And so I find there's a lot of things you can end up like doing by yourself when it comes to beauty, and so I decided to try to do it myself, and it ended up being successful. And I'm not just talking waxing, although that's what I started with. I started by waxing them myself, and now I also dye them myself. And so yeah, I'm just gonna show you how I do that in this video. I'm gonna zoom in on my eyebrows, I think, or like my face. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I am not a beauty guru, but yes, so I feel so weird filming like this, like so close up. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys. This is what my eyebrows look like right This is what my eyebrows look like right now. And yes, I am very aware that one of my eyebrows, sorry, that's the viewfinder making that noise. I'm very aware that my one eyebrow looks really different than the other one. It always does. Sometimes it bothers me more than other times, but I'm sorry if you notice that. This one's always less arched and like thicker. And yeah, I'm trying to get this one to get thicker and a little less arched, but I'm not too concerned about the arched thing. But anyways, so I think I'm gonna stay at this level of closeness. I think the closeness I was at earlier was a bit too close. But yeah, basically what I use to do my eyebrows is, this looks so fucked, oops. But these are wax strips that look so bad. Because I've used parts of this one earlier. This is probably what I've used for my eyebrows. And what I do basically, and I'm just gonna start with a new one. What I do basically, actually, I should start by showing you guys how I dye them. So what I do for dyeing my eyebrows is I have this eyebrow dye. Mind you, this is a Norwegian eyebrow dye. Or actually, it might be Danish. But no, it's Norwegian. Yeah, this is a Norwegian. Just because Danish and written Danish and written Norwegian is really similar, and sometimes they'll sell Danish products in Norway, or yeah, anyways, this is Norwegian, so you won't find this, you know, probably won't find it in Canada or the States, but I have heard of people using beard dye as eyebrow dye. However, I am perfectly okay using this, and it's oopsie. And so it basically comes with the color cream and the fucking hydrogen peroxide. Yes, that's what it is. A little mixing bowl and this spoolie, I think it's called. I'm not sure. And so yeah, it just says to mix it. I don't feel like I have to tell you guys exactly how to mix it because it's gonna depend on what you guys are getting, but I'm just gonna mix it and then I'm gonna be applying it. So now that I've mixed it, it's gonna look like clear. At least the dye that I'm using, it looks kind of, actually it looks a little bit brown right now, but it's gonna get way darker. The color I'm using, by the way, is black brown. That's kind of contradictory, but well, I mean, whatever works in the fucking beauty world. I mean, my ex-boyfriend pointed out semi-permanent and how semi-permanent doesn't even make sense, basically. Okay, so I'm really bad at keeping the dye to just my hairs. I usually end up dyeing around my hairs and I look like a fucking freak as it's developing, but let's give it a try and see. I don't know why I said let's give it a try and see how it works out when I've tried it. I've used it a million times. That little tube, by the way, lasts a long time. Like this, I just put it down and I'm gonna lose the focus if I go and get it. But the little tube that you just saw earlier actually lasts a really long time. So I'm basically just gonna brush it on my eyebrows. It's pretty self-explanatory. The thing with dyeing I have to dye my eyebrows first because it will actually help me, sometimes it'll help me find hairs that I want to get rid of when I'm waxing it afterwards. And also, I often, you know, get dye all over my face, and so the wax will like rip off dye from my skin, if that makes sense. So yeah, now I try to get it a bit more clean so that I don't have to like, yeah, makes no sense, Alright, but okay. Sorry, I'm like literally showing you guys my camera. Ooh. Ooh, oh, you can see one of those, like, you know, when you put like a mirror against a mirror and then you see like forever, like you see infinity or whatever. Yeah, I'm like not a beauty guru, so I'm not used to like filming this kind of shit, so bear with me. I do like beauty though. I used to be way more into like makeup and beauty, but now I'm not as much into it anymore. But yeah, today's been a fucking weird day, honestly. Just feel like, oopsie. Yeah. So you can already see it's turning a bit dark. Me and my, well, I guess he's my ex now. We always joke and say that, well, not I guess, I know that he's my ex. Because we broke up, but we still live together. Anyways, we always joke saying that I don't know why, but we both thought that people with thick eyebrows look like Olga, but it's like we always say that I'm Olga when my eyebrows are like this. I find it kind of funny. I don't know why that name reminds me of like thick eyebrows. So like when my eyebrows are crazy like this, we always say that I'm Olga. Okay, I think I got everything. Imagine if I walked out like this. That would be fucked. I'm so hot right now. The thing is, when I film videos, I have to, sorry, I keep looking in the viewfinder. I honestly have such a short attention span that I bounce from topic to topic. I just feel like my mind lately has just been so all over the place because my fucking and I'm off on a tangent now, actually, as I'm talking about going off on tangents, but my life just like, I just have so much like I have to think about for the future. Like I have so many decisions I have to make. But what I was about to just say before I like went off on a tangent while talking about going off on tangents is that I have to turn off my fan and close the window when I make videos because the fan makes noise, and I live right downtown in a city, so I have to also close my windows when I film, and so it gets fucking hot because it's hot here in summertime and it's just like, it's just a butter. Okay, I think I got everything. I'm gonna get some Q-tips just to clean up my eyebrows a little bit before it all fucking dyes it like completely or whatever. But it does wash off of your skin. Eventually, it just kind of stains it for a little bit, but I'll be right back. Fuck, I don't know. I honestly am in such a weird mood. Like I don't feel like I should be filming because I just like, I don't know, yeah. I just feel like it's like not even entertaining. I just don't have the energy. I need to get my life together, honestly, to be quite honest with you guys. I need to get my life together. Oops. Okay, there we go. So now you gotta put a timer on. I think it goes up to 20 minutes that you can leave it on for. I usually like to leave it on for 15 to 20. I think it says you can leave it on like shorter. It depends on how dark you want your eyebrows to become. As you can see, it's already fucking really dark. I already look like a fucking maniac. I mean, nothing new, but just like a little extra maniac. A little extra sprinkle of crazy, you know, just to add to my crazy. God. So I'm just oh, that didn't work exactly. I'm just cleaning up some of the stuff so I don't have to, no, fuck. Okay, that's like the best I can do for now, I think. And so I'm just gonna let it sit for like 15 minutes, or it's probably not 15 minutes right now, but like however long I have left on my timer, and then I'll be right back. I think I'm gonna just wash it off, and then I'll be right back after I wash it off, and it'll probably not look that different. I'll probably still look just as crazy as I do right now, because it really does stain your skin. But like I said, once you wax it, it will be better. Might not be completely gone, but I usually will just put some foundation over it while the stain is going away. Yeah. I'm back and I look crazier than ever. This is what it looks like after 20 minutes. I haven't actually washed them off yet, even though I said I was gonna do that. I just wanted to show you guys how crazy it looks with it completely darkened. Like, it looks black and it look like fucking big ass nails on my fucking face. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash them off now before they fucking fry my eyebrows off. I don't think it would do it because it's like a dark dye, but if it was bleach, I would be fucked. Anyways, I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like after I've washed it off. Like I said, it still is gonna stain your skin, and so now we gotta wax it off. So what I did for the waxing part of this procedure is that I'm actually gonna use some leg waxers. These are just like the Veet, like leg waxers, or just like big waxing strips. And I know I can technically buy the small ones, but I don't know. I've always just kind of had these handy and never really wanted to go buy the small ones. I don't know if it's probably more expensive to do that, so I'm just gonna cut it like a thin strip along here. Oh god, I feel like one of these are really thick. And then I cut this thing again in smaller pieces, depending on what part of my eyebrow I'm gonna do. Like, if I was gonna do like this part, it might be a longer strip, and then here it's usually shorter. But yeah, I'm just gonna get going. So I think I'm gonna start with a longer one a little bit. I'm gonna zoom you guys in actually for the actual like waxing part, and hopefully you guys can see it correctly and it focuses, because I haven't really done much close-up shots with my camera before. So yeah, hopefully it's good. I'm just gonna do like this, even though that looks really weird. This is why I'm not a beauty guru. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this with the camera. So I basically just line one up here, one up here, one up under here, one this way, and then one small one this way. So it's literally just kind of like doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different like waxing. Sometimes I'll do more and sometimes I'll pluck them a bit afterwards. But yeah, I just have one that's kind of long. Actually, I think this one's good for hair. That's what I'm gonna do now. And so you just divide them in two as you do any kind of wax strip. And god, I should get a spoolie to brush my hair. Usually you might want to brush your hairs, but I honestly do not feel like moving because my camera is about to die, of course. And so let's try just like, I'm gonna try, wait, this one's the one that's arched, I think. This one, I'm gonna try to give this one a bit more of an arch, so I'm not gonna try to cut the arch. I don't know if that made sense to you guys. So see how it's just placed like this? And this is gonna take some of the dye off too. What I do in hair is I just hold it and I literally see like nothing on this, but it did take some of the dye away, I think. I'm gonna get a spoolie because I cannot continue doing this. I feel so stupid because only my nose is sticking up. But here's my literally just my little tiny spoolie. So I'm just gonna spoolie my hair so I can kind of get an idea of the shape of my eyebrow right now. So this is the eyebrow that's usually thicker than this one. I don't know if you've noticed in my videos. So I am gonna try to, I think I'm gonna do down here right now. Just cutting another one out. I'm gonna do a little bit of a smaller one this time. Okay. This is such a bad tutorial, but I just wanted to let you guys know that this is doable. Oh god. I usually am not holding a mirror for this, you see? Let's fucking spoolie this upwards a bit. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna go too well, but yeah, you're just kind of targeting wherever you want. Honestly, you can cut them however you want and then just fucking rip it. And you can see some hairs on there. I don't know if it'll focus, but honestly, if my camera dies right now, I don't know, I might not show you guys all of it. Sometimes wax will get stuck in your eyebrow and it's fucking annoying, but other than that, it's pretty nice. This is really risky right now. Okay, you want to just, then, didn't even take that much. Ooh, yeah, no, it did. It didn't look like that much, but it was a decent amount. Ow. Okay. Ooh, this one's looking way more arched now. I think I'm getting it. Okay, I'm gonna do the up above part right now. Kind of brush them down a bit for this part. Okay, let's see if I can do this with one hand here. And now you want to pull against the hairs, by the way. See how different they're already starting to get? Oh god, there's wax. Oh, see, there's wax stuck in everything now. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix this eyebrow in the sense of getting all the wax out of it. I'm not gonna do that right now though. So for this eyebrow, I'm going to start with the long stripe, if that makes sense. I think I might be fucking this up right now. I think I'm gonna make it way too thin. Fuck, this is not good. I don't know, it might be good. Do we ever know if it's good or bad? No, it looks pretty good, I think. So this one we can cut a bit of the arch so it's not as archy. Okay. I think you guys kind of got the picture, so I think I'm just gonna like not even explain what I'm doing at this point, but just do it.
Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
So, Jesus. I'm doing my eyebrows, Piggy, on video. Hi, I'm anti-Olgaing myself.
Hi, Olga.
Anti-Olgaing myself.
Yeah, but you're still Olga.
No, I'm
anti-Olga.
You actually came in just when I said I was gonna stop talking because I already explained what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna fast forward for this part. So, good timing, Piggy. Why are you in here, Piggy? Yeah, but don't you have more important things to do, like play video games?
No.
You're a little baby.
You killed Piggy.
I didn't kill any piggies. No piggies were killed in this video. I'm just kidding. Except according to you.
I'm a slowly dying piggy now.
You're a slowly dying piggy?
Yeah.
So my battery just died in the last clip that you saw, and it is actually like 2 days later because, I don't know, I just felt like waiting a little bit before I film, considering that my eyebrows were a little bit like still stained, and also, I don't know, I feel like you get a better view of what they look like a couple days later because now that they're not as like, they don't look as like plastered on. I also just didn't really get around to filming. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I am totally aware that one eyebrow isn't exactly the same as the other. Usually, like I said in the beginning of this video, one eyebrow is like thicker and not as arched, and the other one is more arched. It's weird because when I look in the mirror, my eyebrows actually look really similar or the same, but then when I watch the clip back, I usually will notice the difference in my eyebrows. I'm thinking maybe I might go to a professional for them just to shape them again, but I just have had so many times where they do too much, like they take away too much of my eyebrows, and I don't want really thin eyebrows. If anything, I'd want almost thicker eyebrows than I do right now. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video and that you found it useful. You don't always have to spend money at like spas or wherever you get your eyebrows done to get your eyebrows done, or you know, that goes for a lot of other things beauty related. You can learn to do it yourself, find little hacks. Like I said earlier in this video, some people use beard dye, but I just found eyebrow dye in Norway. I haven't actually seen eyebrow dye around that much here in Canada. But yeah, and then I waxed it myself. You can also, I think you can buy those little packages of like, they're like face wax strips. I literally just cut my wax strips like regular like leg wax strips, as you guys saw. Anyways, I hope you guys found this useful. I'm just gonna head out. If you guys want to follow me on social media, my name's Mara Christina on Instagram. Yeah, have a great day, and if you guys are not having a great day, find some way of making it great. I don't know, going for a walk, working out, do something that makes you happy, take care of yourself, and yeah, bye! Are you kidding me? Are you pigging me? Just kidding.
It's are you sniffing me? Excuse you.
Are you a tired piggy?
Yes.
Aww.
Because you killed me.